Oil is available at your fingertips, $33 a barrel. You thought that was bad enough. We've seen $32.90 as we speak a few minutes ago. 1:20 Nigerian time, levels never seen in more than a decade, as a tumble in Chinese equities rattled investors around the world, already concerned about near-record production and massive stockpiles of unwanted crude oil. The price of oil shed around 70% since the current downturn began in June 2014, causing pain to oil companies and governments that rely heavily on crude revenues. Senior research analyst at Financial Derivatives here in Lagos, joining me via Skype. Damilola Akimami, thank you very much. Bring us up to speed. Looks like the price of oil is ticking in the negative direction almost every minute.
Yes, Bosun, you are right. And like you said, what we've seen right now is oil prices dropping to as low as $32 per barrel, which is a new 11-year low. And it's basically the conditions or what the factors that are driving it are still the same. We are having an oversupplied market, with the U.S. increasing its stockpiles by about 500,000 barrels. But more importantly is the fact that China has devalued its currency. And, you know, the Chinese, they actually are the largest oil consumer. And if that country is devaluing its currency, it has significant implications on the global market. So those are the two major factors that are affecting the oil market right now. And that's why we've seen a sharp drop in oil prices.
So, just about 1 minute. Do you think anytime soon we're seeing a bottom for crude?
Oh, well, it's hard to say whether oil prices have actually fallen to a bottom, because we actually initially, when oil prices were trading about $40 per barrel, we were thinking the bottom would be about 35. Now we're at 32. So oil prices may actually fall lower than that. And energy analysts are even predicting a worst case scenario of about $20 per barrel. And the thing is, for instance, if Iran, once they have resolved all the sanction issues, if Iran starts to pump and they pump up to the maximum level, oil prices are going to fall lower. And with U.S. increasing its stockpiles, with demand from the largest oil consumer declining, basically the fundamentals are weak and the outlook for oil is still bearish. So it's very possible for us to see oil prices declining way below the $32 we are seeing right now.
Okay, now finally, have you seen the movie Star Wars?
I haven't seen the latest one.
It's amazing how a movie is making almost $2 billion and we're scratching our heads about $30 a barrel.
It's amazing, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for your time today. Damilola Akimami, Senior Research Analyst at Financial Derivatives and Investment Research Firm based here in Lagos, Nigeria. So that's all about for today. That's the Star Wars opening later this week, this Saturday, January the 9th in China. Okay, that's a little bit about it. Whether you are living at the stars, okay, put some smile on your face. Crude oil still declining, equities falling rapidly around the world, but up there at the stars, there is money to be made. Perhaps we should be looking heavenwards rather than the crude down under the ground. That's all for today. I am Bosun. I'll see you next time. Do have a great day.